Well, it is now 9:45 and I am ready to go out the door. It was very relaxing in there this morning.
Please drive to highlighted
I got
route.
to do all the stuff that I wanted to without interruptions this morning.
Looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free in this life. None of us can know what's coming.
We are on our way. No problems here, no signs here, nobody bothered me. It was very hot. I'm low on propane. I do have to find propane though, but voice command,
Say a command.
find a category,
Speak a category.
a long route, propane,
Searching for.
gas,
Searching for gas stations. Select a line number.
back,
Speak a category.
back,
Main menu.
find place,
Speak the name of a place.
a long route, U-Haul,
Did you say U-Haul?
1,
Searching for U-Haul. Select a line number.
I'm gonna click it.
Would you like to begin navigation?
Call,
Calling U-Haul.
okay, so I ended up finding the way on the GPS to find propane. I haven't had a use for it yet. It's actually under RV services. So it is important to know your categories before you use voice command. You might want to have like a little sticky or something in the beginning on your dashboard or something so that you can know what it is. It's not under categories, it's not under place, unless you can set up an option where you can put in certain places that you like to go to. Like my preferences for propane is U-Haul, the Tractor Supply. They're pretty economical, so I could have a category and just name Tractor Supply and U-Haul, and it will just find those for me. But if you do want to find propane under this GPS, you're gonna voice command and you're gonna tell her not to find a category or a place. You're gonna tell her to find RV services, and then along your route, that's a key, because you don't want to go out of your way to get it. You want to be on your route, you want to find RV services, and you want to specify propane, and there she's going to give it to you. She's going to tell you all the places coming up on along your route that have propane, and I love that feature. This is why I love having a GPS, because I had that feature with my other one, but I didn't have the voice command. And Christian or
Say a command.
Oops, exit. If I say the word, she's going to pick it up. So I can't say, I'll have to say VC for now on so she doesn't go crazy. But if in my other GPS, I had that feature on my GPS, which I love, that just hit and find and whatever, but the propane wasn't one of them. And when you go and you're looking for propane, it also gives you RV parks, because RV parks, the ones that do sell propane, and they're on your route, they will tell you which one it is. So if you are looking for a place to spend the night, you could say, well, I gotta get propane, I might as well stop there and also get gas. But before you head there, make sure you call in advance to the RV park. You don't want to make a reservation there and then find out that they're out of propane, because sometimes RV parks are out of propane. So if your visit there is because you're going to fill with propane, I would call ahead and make sure that they do have propane to fill your whatever it is, how many tanks or stuff they have enough for that. I like that the RV 770 by Garmin has a large, almost 7-inch screen from side to side. I love it has RV specific features that you can customize your route with your size and your weight. You can see that I set up mine for the truck camper and then also for the Airstream. Then there's also an option that I can use it just with my truck if I'm not pulling my truck camper or my Airstream. I love that it gives me road warnings to prepare me in advance for anything that's coming up on the road. One of my favorite things about this GPS, other than the voice command, is also the preferred labels that I can input into it like U-Haul or Tractor Supply, which are my favorite places to get propane, and some other places like Starbucks that whenever I need free Wi-Fi to upload a video. I love that. So I just have to click the button. I don't have to go in there typing in the words or anything like that. And it's got the awesome Bluetooth calling, and I get all my smartphone notifications right on the screen. Okay, I want you to see that little picnic table that's in my icon there on my GPS. Look over here, there's a park here. I love that. She lets you know when there's a park coming up. So if I just want to spend the day parked somewhere, I could spend the day here and then help to get some work. I like that it comes with an RV park directory, and also services are included in the categories. There's also basic weather, which I haven't used yet, and there's live traffic free if you download the app called Garmin Smartphone Link. I like the live track feature because that one shares your location with family. If you are traveling alone and you want to be able to share your location every evening or wherever you're headed to, this is a great feature so family and friends can stay up to date to where you've been and the last location that you've been at. When you first buy your Garmin, is not to forget to update your device. I have it running off my Wi-Fi and I love that. I don't have to hook it up to my computer, and it's updating right now. It's got 2 big updates it has to do. It's going to take about 2 hours. In order to do this, you do want to make sure that you have the right plug that it came with, because some of these plugs, it'll tell you if the plug is not going to be able to handle the power that it needs. And you're going to want to be directly powered to an electrical source. I had it plugged into my computer and it will not let me update it. So make sure you do those 2 things before you go out on the road. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please share it, and please subscribe. Hey guys, you don't only have to have an RV to have my sticker. You can also put it on your truck like I did.